Welcome everyone. Now I would like to show you how can you in 5 simple steps build your own downhaul. When you open the package you should have 3 harken blocks as well as 4 ropes. I've used a white Marlow Formuline as well as the red one which is XL PS12, and a trim line which you can see here. Attach the white rope to the block. Take those 2 blocks and notice the difference between those 2. I want you to put one like that in front of you and the other the cleat facing that way. Now take the Marlow rope and put it through here. Put the rope through block number 2. Take the end of the rope, put it from the top and take it out here, block it. Once you have blocks attached like that, take the end of the rope and put it here. The end of the rope should come out through the cleat. That's how you pull the rope through the blocks. Step 3. Take the end of the rope and make 2 knots. One at the very end of the rope, then 7 centimeters, 10 centimeters below it, like that. Take the other end, other block, and do the same thing. Make a knot at the very end, and then a couple of centimeters below. Step number 4. Put block number 1. Take shorter rope, shorter red rope, and pull the end of it through the block. Make the knot at the end of the rope. And push the knot through here, making another one on the bottom of the block number 2. Take the other end of the rope and attach it to this part. Again by making 2 knots. One at the rope, one around the bottom of the cleat. Last step, take a longer red rope, pull it through here. And either make a knot like this one, or just make 2 knots, one at the very end of the rope and then one around block number 3. And that's it, just put it on the mast.